And before we begin our footer, there is a button that we need to add. So let's go ahead and add this button right underneath the blog section. We're going to change our title here. Add your fake link for now. Change the color of your background. And let's go ahead and click save. And there we have our button. Now we do need a little bit of space between the blog and the button, so let's go ahead and add that divider and remove the background, and there we have our extra space. Go ahead and click save, and we'll move on to the next section. Okay, so this is exciting. We're on the last section of our newsletter. And so we're going to change the color of the footer. Now the footer already has a lot of the information in it. So basically what we'll need to do is change the color. So let's go ahead and get inside the footer section here. And we'll look over here on the first part of the background. It says color. So let's click on that. And we're going to put that famous hex code that we've been using this whole time. It even knows it. And we're going to go ahead and click save. Now, this next section is the social icons. So let's go ahead and we're going to change those. They're already there, but we're going to change the style of them. So let's go ahead and click style. And we're going to look at the various sections here. And we'll see that you can change their background. You can put a border if you needed. You can change the font. If we had, like, say over here, if this said Facebook, under here it would have the text that says Facebook, and we could change that font. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to settings, and we have this section checked off, and the icon is a solid icon. And there are outlined icons. See how the colors change? It's not a solid color anymore. And we can also change the color of, or the style of them, which would be this kind. This is the actual design that I'm looking for this particular section. So let's go ahead and go back to the content. Now this is where you're going to fill in your extension for, say, Twitter or Facebook. You're going to copy from your Facebook page and then paste it in here. And then here will be the link text. So if you wanted to put follow me or join us, you could put that here and then just click save, because it would take you to the Facebook page, which is yours. All right. So go ahead and click save, and that section is done. Now one more thing that we need to do, and it is the image. Now I have an image in mind, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this add an image instead. And mine is this one right here called blue footer. I'm going to go ahead and insert. Okay, so there is my image. It has finally appeared. I guess slow internet. But okay, we're moving on to the next section. So that picture is there, and that is going to be in the background, as you see. So go ahead and click save. Now one other thing that we need to do is, you see, did you notice how the font or the text has disappeared? So we need to change the color of that text as well. So let's go ahead and change the text to be white. We'll scroll up. Right now it's 65, a grayish color. So let's go ahead and change it to be white, and you see how it appears. Now there's still one thing down here, which are these links. And so we'll go ahead and we'll change that link color as well. Go ahead and change that to white, and it has appeared. Now also one more thing is this divider. Now you remember how we changed the divider before? Well, now we're going to make this dashed as what we used before. And we'll go ahead and click Save. And that does it for that section.